Listen up, future crypto millionaires. I do not know who is gonna hear these statements, but I hope the algorithm is gonna help me out in order to share it to the right audience. Everybody is calling the bear market, but I have some good news and some bad news. Pay close attention to the Cryptoland video, which one is gonna be posted right now. I'm gonna make some statements which one I will take full responsibility. Everybody is calling a bear market because they believe in the 4-year cycle, but they do not look at the broader economy. They do not understand that the markets are not gonna repeat themselves the way they did it before. The markets are also rhyme, but they do not repeat. First. Second of all, they called Bitcoin a top on 6th of October. Everybody became bearish. Everybody said, I told you so. The bear market is going to come in October. Not knowing that the market is going to throw a curveball. The market is going to go into the last phase, the mania phase soon. And most of the people, they are going to get left behind. Why? Because S&P 500 right now is sitting just below $7,000. Is 6,899 the top? Was the top already on 27th of October for SPX, or is going much higher? Because looking at the RSI on a weekly is on downtrend, but looking on the RSI on the daily is on an uptrend right now. Second of all, what you have to understand, the FOMC meeting yesterday was stating that the QT already stopped. QE is starting, which means liquidity is gonna flood on the markets. I know it's a little bit of volatility, but that doesn't mean that that's signaling a bear market forming. Pay close attention to that. Altcoins been on a bear market already since 2022. That is nothing new over here. For me, I don't know about you, but Bitcoin has been on a bull market and sitting above $73,000. We are still on a bull market. We are not on a bear market right now. Having a retracement doesn't mean that's a confirmation of a bear market. Of course, if we look at SPX stock market being on a bear market is meaning that if you are below 20% of the top of the market, that means you are on a bear market. I give you that. If you are a bear, you won that. But looking at the market volatility for the crypto land, that's nothing, because if you have an explosion upside, you should have a retracement, and you should as well be prepared for that. And looking as well at quantitative easing, looking at what's going to happen next in the next few months, a lot of good news, and the price of the market right now is undervalued.